Welcome to the React.js web application from scratch. We are building a full stack web application, my library, where you can manage author and books. So far, I built the uh, registration page where user can register themselves by providing their username, email, and the passwords. Then user can log in by providing the valid username and the password. You can see. Then we have the dashboard. Then we have the list of authors where we can view, update, and delete author. In the view author, there is the details of the author and his book. Here is the new author form where you can create the author by providing name. Here is the list of books we have in the system, and you can view book, update and delete book. And here is the details of the book, which is the author published date. And here is the new book form where you providing these details and the book cover image. You can create book, and we also have the logout. You can check those videos in the playlist React Web Application from Scratch, link on the upper right corner of this video. We recently added the forgot password API with email integration using SendGrid in our backend. You can also check this video on the upper right corner. Today I will add the forgot password page in the React.js with this API integration where user can request to reset their password by providing the registered email, and a reset password link will be sent to his to their mailbox. The code base in this repository you can pull and you can run in your local machine. I will give the link in the description of the video. You can see we have the client folder and the server folder. Client is the React.js project where you can install and run, and the server is our Node Express Mongo project where we have the instruction how to run this application. So without extending the introduction parts, let's get started. So here you can see the client and the server. So I run this, the server is running at port 3001 and MongoDB connected, and here the client, the React.js application running on the 3000 port. So the command is in the package.json to run the server. You have to run in the development mode npm run dev or the npm start, and the client application you have to just run the command npm start. To start the React.js application. So I will add the component forgot password in the client directory. So let's start coding. So the forgot password form will be just like the login form. There will be the username and the email submit reset button. So I will copy the design from the sign in component. So you can check the video how I designed the form in the upper right corner. Here I use the useState hook, React hook used to create and manage state variables in the functional components. And the function, the handle input in change functions is designed to update the form data state whenever there is change in the form's input fields. It's typically connected to the onChange events. This function extract the name and value from the event.target. It updates the form data state by spreading the current state. Here is the spread operator, and updating the property specified by the name and value. This ensures that the corresponding field in the form data object gets updated without overriding other fields. Next, we have the handle submit functions. This function executed when the form is submitted. So you can see the onSubmit, handle submit. It prevents the default behaviors of the form submission, e.prevent default. Default behavior just like the refresh the page. Both error message and success message state reset to null to clear any previous message. Now I will add the API, the forgot passwords in the services, auth services. We are going to use this API, this /auth/forgot password, which taking the username and the email in the payload. So I will add it, and I will mount this forgot password and test. Now I will mount this forgot password component in the app.js. Now if I go to the web page, and if I go to this forgot password, you can see this is our form, the forgot password, username, email, and here is the back to login. So I will give the link here, the forgot password link in the login page, so that the user can land to this forgot password page from the login page if user forgot his password. And here I also add the header my library, so that we can recognize it's the part of the my library app, both the login, sign up, and the forgot password page. So you can see here is the my library header in the forgot password. I will add the same to the login and the sign up page, and here you can see the link. We have the underline. I will remove this underline. So you can see in the login page we have the if user don't have an account, he can register uh, and already have an account. They can land to the login page, and we have also the forgot password if the user forgot his password. Like I am forgetting my passwords, and if I want to submit, the password is invalid, it's saying. So I can go to the forgot passwords, and here I will put the username and email. Email is required, so I have to put the email. First I will test with invalid username. So if I put the invalid username, you can see it's showing error, the failed username not exist. And same if I put the invalid email, then it will throw the error, the failed email not exist. Now if I put the valid email and the username and post this form, so you can see the password reset link is successfully sent to your registered email. Please check, the link will be valid for the 10 minutes. So we'll see the mailbox. Here is the mailbox for the desmond95@gmail.com. You can see the mail here. It's just 0 minutes ago, and here is our email. Dear Desmond, welcome to my library app. Please click the link to reset your password, and we have this token. So if I click on it, so I will land it to this page. So you can see the reset password, but the reset password component is not present. That's why it's showing blank. I will add this component boilerplate, so it will just show us the text reset password, and we'll see. Now if I click on this verify button, and you can see our component, the reset password, and this is the URL. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll design the reset password. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video and keep watching to explore the more functionality in the My Library app. Okay, thank you.